In this video, I'm going to learn how to translate my safety data sheets into other languages using a feature in SBLCore. I open the translation function by clicking on the Translate button. I find it in two places, either in the Safety Data Sheets tab or in the editor of each safety data sheet. For the safety sheet I have opened right now, almost all the text fields are filled in using autofill phrases. These are translated in the software into all available languages, so all I have to do is enter the translation of a few phrases. The wording of H phrases and P phrases is determined by legislation, as is the format of the safety data sheet. The software ensures that I always have these sections translated in accordance with the legislative requirements. I see the texts that are already part of the phrases on a white background, while texts that the software does not know yet have a yellow background. Now I'll move on to the setting up the translation itself. I click on the Translate button. A new window will open. Here I can choose which countries I want to translate for. The software can translate a safety data sheet for several countries at the same time. For some countries, I can choose from more than one language. It always depends on the requirements of the specific country. I now set the translation for France. At the bottom of the window, I can edit the translation parameters. In the first line, I see the name of the safety data sheet to be translated. In the second line, I see how many safety sheets are created. The number is set according to the sum of the selected languages. On the right, I see the number of countries selected. I can still tick whether I want to add legislation or take annexes from the translated safety data sheet. I click on the Translate button. The software will convert the safety data sheet for the selected country and show me the percentage of successful translation. To view sentences that have not been translated, click on the Untranslated Sentences button. If I need to, I can export them to Excel. I'll confirm the translation. The software automatically switches me to the already translated safety data sheet. I have the untranslated phrase in yellow. I will add it to the phrases and add its translation the next time I translate it.